In this video, we will explore fundamental functions crucial for those embarking in their Excel journey. These functions play a vital role in data analysis. Let's delve into the common functions in Excel: the sum, average, max, min, and count. Let's start by typing random numbers in this column. I'll just type 10, 50, say 20, 33, and 25. Suppose we want to find the sum of these numbers. What we can do is type equals, then input sum, open parentheses, and select the numbers to add. Press enter. Here's to demonstrate another application. I will change the colors of the numbers I want to sum. Type equals sum, then select each cell. Then we have to separate them with commas. This formula totals only the highlighted cells, providing a versatile way to manipulate data. Next in line is the average function, which computes the average of our given numbers. Following that, we explore the max and min functions. The max function identifies the highest number in the selected cells, while the min function pinpoints the lowest number. For example, typing max will provide a value of 50, since it is evidently the highest number in the set, while conversely, min will retrieve the lowest number, which is in this case, it's 10. Now let's turn our attention to the count and count A functions. Count tallies the number of cells containing numbers. Executing this will yield the result of 5 as evident from our chosen datasets, which consist of 5 rows of numbers. In contrast, count A counts all non-empty cells, counting characters, numbers, letters, or symbols. To illustrate, I'll insert text and a blank row. Utilizing the count A function yields a count of 6. Here's a quick tip. If you wish to swiftly compute highlighted values, glance at the bottom right corner of your Excel. It displays the average, count, and sum of the selected rows. There you have it, the fundamental functions for Excel beginners. Practice these functions with diverse datasets to boost your confidence. If you have any questions or desire more tutorials on specific Excel functions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you.